Confused about what to cook for breakfast? Here are 7 ideas that you can try for the whole week. Ragi pitha and peanut butter served with detox tea for Monday. Fruit platter for Tuesday. French toast and tea for Wednesday. Colorful poha for Thursday. Sweet banana bhaji, dry fruits and tea for Friday. Rice flour pitha for Saturday. Ragi malt, fresh banana and jaggery coated dry fruits for Sunday. Let's start with Monday breakfast. For Monday, I am making ragi pitha served with peanut butter and detox tea. For the recipe, we'll add ragi flour. About 3 spoons are enough for one person. Adding pinch of salt. And we'll make a lumps-free paste by adding water. This is what the consistency should be. We'll add small pieces of chocolate in the paste. You can use any chocolate of your choice. You can even add dry fruits like raisins or berries instead of chocolate. I'm adding pinch of stevia, but you can replace this with any other sweetener that you like. Heat up a pan and add oil, ghee or butter as per your choice. Pour the paste and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. Once cooked from one side, turn sides and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. We'll boil a cup of water for tea. And now it's time to serve our breakfast. I'm using detox tea and will add a pinch of stevia in it. Tea is ready. We'll spread a teaspoon of peanut butter in the ragi pitha. And breakfast for Monday is all done. Now let's move to Tuesday. For Tuesday, we have this very colorful fruit platter. For this, you can have any seasonal and locally available fruits. In every season, we get quite a lot of fruits, so you can pick your favorites to make a colorful fruits platter. I'm taking a mango, banana and a small piece of papaya. This is a time-saving breakfast idea for days when you are in a hurry and don't have much time for all the cooking. We'll cut all the fruits in small pieces. And we'll add some jamun to add that extra color. Breakfast for Tuesday is ready. Now let's see what we have for Wednesday. For Wednesday, we have colorful French toast and tea. I'm using multigrain bread for this. We also need eggs, onion, green chili, coriander, and butter. Chop the onion, green chili, and fresh coriander in small pieces. Add eggs, salt, turmeric powder, Everest Kitchen King masala, and pinch of black pepper powder. Mix well. Cut the bread slices in your desired shape and size. Heat up a pan and add butter. Dip the bread slices in the mixture and let them cook in the pan. Once cooked from one side, turn sides. Toast is ready to be served once it turns golden brown. I will also make myself a cup of tea. I have also roasted one slice of bread only in butter and serving that for breakfast as well. Topping it with some ketchup. Tea is ready. And here is our colorful breakfast for Wednesday all ready. Now it's time to welcome Thursday with some colorful and tasty poha. I'm taking cabbage, broccoli, onion, capsicum, bell pepper, chili, and curry leaves for this. You can add any veggies that you like and is available in the season. Heat up a pan and add oil. I am adding olive oil, but you can use any oil, ghee, butter that you like. Once oil heats up, start cooking the vegetables. Make sure not to overcook them. I want to cook them until the raw taste disappears. Adding salt as per taste, a teaspoon of raw chia seeds. You can even add soaked chia seeds. Adding pinch of black pepper powder and add the poha. Adding little more salt. You can add any masalas that you like and can also add some lemon juice before having it. And here is our colorful breakfast all ready. Now let's move to Friday where we have sweet banana bhaji and dry fruits and tea. I'm taking 2 bananas and rice flour. These bananas are ripe and very sweet. Cut them in thin slices or in any other shape that you like. Make a paste using rice flour, pinch of salt, and water. Make sure not to make the paste too runny, otherwise it will not stick to the banana pieces. This is what the consistency should be. Heat up a pan and add oil, ghee or butter. Dip the banana slices in rice flour mixture and start frying them in the pan. I don't want to deep fry these, but if you want, you can do that as well. Let them cook in low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes and then turn sides. Let them turn golden brown before serving. Boiling some water for tea. Serving the banana bhaji in a plate and adding some honey from top. You can have this with any dry fruits of your choice. I am keeping some cashew nuts, dates and raisins. Adding ginger and tea powder in water. Pinch of elaichi powder and milk. You can add any sweetener in tea if you want. We'll wait till tea is ready. And Friday breakfast is all done. Now let's move to Saturday breakfast where we have rice flour pitha. For this recipe, I am taking 4 spoons of rice flour. Adding salt and water to make a batter. This measurement is enough to make 2 pithas. This is the consistency that we need. Heating up a pan and adding ghee. You can even add oil or butter if you want. Pour the mixture and let it cook for a few minutes. Turn sides and let it cook from the other side as well. Once done, serve this in a plate. You can add some honey or jaggery with this. Or serve it with chutney or pickle that you like. Now let's move to Sunday's breakfast where we have ragi malt served with fresh banana and jaggery coated dry fruits. Chopping some pistachio, cashew nuts, almonds, raisins and anjeer. And for the malt, I am taking 3 to 4 spoons of elaichi flavored ragi flour. milk to make a lumps-free paste. I have also shared a video on how to make ragi flour at home, so you can check that out as well. Heat up a kadhai, add a little ghee and roast all the dry fruits except pistachio, as I am using roasted and salted pistachio. Keep the flame low. Adding jaggery in the dry fruits. You can add as much jaggery as you feel is needed for a nice coating in the dry fruits. Once jaggery melts, keep the kadhai aside and let it cool down. In another pan, making the ragi malt. Pouring the ragi mixture, and we'll add some more milk in that. Add jaggery or any other sweetener that you like. Let this come to a boil. Once done, serving it in a cup. And also adding some of the jaggery coated dry fruits. Keeping some more of the dry fruits in the plate. Adding a ripe banana. And the pistachio that we kept. That's about Sunday's breakfast. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.